Fish oil. Fish oil is rich in DHA and EPA, two powerful fats responsible for things like increased metabolic rate and improved fat burning, plus a range of other things. For adults, typical recommendations advise using 6 to 12 grams of total fish oil per day. Greens. If you're falling short consuming enough fruits and vegetables each day, a high-quality green supplement can fill the void. Veggies are extremely important in fighting disease, bolstering the immune system, and helping keep weight gain at bay. Green supplements typically contain a potent blend of antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. Protein. Protein powders aren't just for bodybuilders anymore. Protein powders such as whey or casein make a tasty, convenient option when you don't have time for a whole food meal. Most women underestimate their protein requirements and could benefit from protein supplement.